Excuse me. How are you, my friend?
Yeah.
Okay, listen here. I'm new in this country. I have a question for you. What time se va la luz aquí? There's a lot of light here.
Excuse me, what?
Yeah, que a qué hora se va la luz aquí? There's a lot of light here. What time the light? The light.
Oh, delete. Oh,
The
no,
light.
we don't delete.
The light gonna go
every day.
Oh, in my country, the light go every day. The light. Oh my God. Okay.
yeah.
Number two question. Number two. The escalera over there. Where they going?
Huh?
Where escalera? The escalation. Where they going over there?
Oh no, it just stops right there, sir. We just go up there. We
I
just
don't
stand right
understand.
there.
Okay, ese son escaleras.
Yeah.
Pero de escalera don't go.
No, we just stop right there.
Oh my God. Pero qué pendejada de este maldito país. Una escalera que no van a ningún lado. Okay, now one more question for you. ¿Tú me puedes explicar a mí why everybody looking upstairs like that?
Oh, like-
Propinco,
oh,
un
why
cuello.
everybody's looking
Why
up?
everybody like that? Why? Here.
Oh, they just like to look at the lights, sir.
Pero a Propinco coge un aire, un cuello, porque yo no me entiendo este maldito país.